I'm a strong believer
Yeah.
in purpose and that each of us here has
Yeah.
been born to do something.
Yeah.
And with that belief comes the predisposition to having an innate talent or
Yeah.
an innate skill.
Yeah.
And it's from that all of these webs spawn
Yeah.
to allow you to create
Yeah.
so many things in so many different directions.
Yeah.
At some point, I started to come to the realization that I needed to figure out something
Yeah.
that would excite me and something that I would want to do forever.
Yeah.
And in asking myself those questions,
Mm.
came the drive to start to learn how to draw and to actually become very good at it. And
Yeah.
as I kept on drawing, I realized that I learned how
Yeah.
to draw in a record amount of time. The time that I
Yeah.
learned this skill that apparently takes a whole lifetime to achieve.
Yeah.
And then I realized the thing that had allowed me to do that was
Yeah.
the fact that I was already
Yeah.
I was already raised to be very good
Yeah.
at being articulate and
Yeah.
like to be very good with words
Yeah.
because I was raised to write and I was raised intentionally. My mother did that intentionally to
Yeah.
have me very articulate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but the realization that I already had that going for me, and the fact that I imbued that in my desire to learn visual arts allowed me to learn visual arts at a much faster rate than anything else.
Yeah.
But more to that, I'd already found the answer of what it is I wanted to do with the rest of my life.
Yeah.
So the answer was embedded in my own purpose for existence, and I
Yeah.
think it's very essential to have purpose and to attach purpose very
Yeah.
quickly and to discover what your purpose is
Yeah.
as a person or as an individual living on this planet and what it is you're meant to do. The sooner you discover that, the
Yeah.
sooner you discover the tools that you've been born with that are
Yeah.
going to allow you to fulfill that particular purpose.
Yeah.
When you do have that, you realize that you start to realize that everything you're attempting to do, there is a drive, a natural drive that you can't understand that is actually allowing you to do them.
Yeah.
Because some of the things you're attempting to do are you look at them and you're like, these things do not make logical sense.
Yeah.
But then you have to do them anyway.
Yeah.
And then it's that self-drive that I guess allows me to create things in different tiers.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I can also attribute those same tiers to one fundamental thing.